Hello, it's Mark from 2Dog RC. Got our new battery straps in. Doom, doom, doom. I wasn't real happy with their last batch of battery straps, these blue ones. I felt that they were a little weak and they broke too easily. So we got a different material for this batch. It's got a metal ring. It's got silicone ribbing that goes down the battery strap to help grip the battery better. And it's a lot thicker than these. It's a heavy duty battery strap. These are not going to break. It's one piece from top to bottom as opposed to the two pieces here. And then what they did is it's one piece and then the Velcro is stitched in there. So you put it on your battery. I mean, you guys know how battery straps work, but I'll just give you a little gripping demo here. So, wrap it around there, and then it really grips that silicone really grips that battery. It's going to be very hard to fall out. These are going to be a little bit more expensive than these, but you won't go through as many, which is good for you guys. Hard to sell more if you don't break them. But yeah, again, metal clasp, silicone rubbing, and the yellow makes it easier to see too. So if you want to get some of these, check them out, 2dogrc.com.